I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually set the always-on display functionality in the Mi10i smartphone. As you can clearly see, friends, the Mi10i mobile phone. So let's see how you can actually set this kind of always-on display in the Mi10i mobile phone. The reason why I'm doing this particular video because the Mi10i has got the IPS LCD panel display. So in most of the IPS LCD panel display, you won't get any always-on display functionality. The reason behind that is there will be a lot of battery drain in the LCD panels than the AMOLED panels. So that's why before installing and trying this application, you need to be aware that the battery will be draining slightly more if you use this feature so in your Mi10i smartphone. So recently even I did a video on the Realme X7 Pro as well. So by trying different application in the Realme X7 Pro, but this application I'll try to focus only on the always on display functionality. So whereas the before application I tried focusing on always on display and the edge lighting 2-in-1 application. If you want, you can check that video as well. But let's get started with the application which is suitable for the Mi10i phone users only. So even if you want, you can try in any other Android mobile phone as well if you want, but definitely keep in mind the IPS LCD panel displays mobile phone will drain the battery slightly higher. So as soon as let me try to show you the battery always on display application name. So these are always on display application name and digital clock, always on AMOLED. So this is the one which icon is, you can clearly see, friends, this is the icon of the application. So try to download this particular application only. So once you download this, there are few other applications as well, but this application has got very good interface and very neat. So there's not much ads at all displaying here overall. So that's a good advantage of choosing this particular application. So first thing is that you do have different kind of modes if you want to select. So right now I did select only the analog clocks. So here are different live clocks, as you can see, friends. So which is really good live clocks using this on the phone. So you can try this live clocks, or even you can try the digital clocks. You got 6 clocks here and you got 8 clocks here, and emoji clocks. There are so many emojis, as you can see, friends. So lot of emojis which are available. So if you want, you can just click this emoji and just tap and click apply. So the emoji always on display will be applied automatically, as you can see, friends, which is really cool and interesting. So just imagine, friends, if you're having this kind of always on display functionality in your mobile phone, definitely a lot of your users, they will or your friends, or your neighbors, they'll definitely ask you what application you're using for this kind of phone. So this type of really cool, interesting applications you must try in your Android device. So this is the emoji part. You got few of the emojis, and not only that, there's the image clock as well. So there are the few images which are here, and even you can add your custom image from your gallery. So even that you can use in this application. That's a really good, interesting feature where you can try all your selfies or any nature photos if you are taken. You can try those and you can use here. So let me try one of the front cam which are taken here. So even you can zoom in, as you can see, friends. You can zoom into the cam image and you can keep as always on display, as you can see here, and just click apply, and the image will be applied as always on display, as you can see. So which is really cool, and even you can customize the color of the text and everything. So that's also there as a part of this application. So till now I did use the application continuously, but I did not see any kind of ads at the moment. Even the Wi-Fi is also connected, but overall the application is also really cute and really good. So which does the purpose as it says. So not so many features, but definitely what are the features which is present, that's all are very useful in everyday life. So this is also another edge clock. If you want to just have the normal edge clock, you can just even have that normal side edge, as you can see, as a simple. So it doesn't show off much, or it doesn't display much, but as a simple, it just says in the sideways always on display. So this is also available in this application. So just give it a try, friends. Maybe this might not be able to drain much of the battery since it's utilizing a little bit, but definitely as a IPS LCD panels, you will see it's slightly higher battery drain in this phone. There is a reason behind that. The reason is that, so whenever in the AMOLED phones, if you try to use this application, only this particular area which as a text will be turned on, so rest of the pixels will be off. But in the IPS LCD panels, all the complete screen, all the pixels will be on even for just one pixel. So right now for this text, just this small area is turned on, but rest of the phone is also turned on in this IPS LCD panel. But in AMOLED panels, only this small area will be on always. That saves a lot of battery in the AMOLED, so not in the IPS LCD panel. So this kind of drawback which is there in the IPS LCD panels for a long time. So that is the reason you won't see any always on display functionality in the Mi 10i or POCO X3 or Redmi Note 9 other models which has the IPS LCD panels. So, and if you go to the settings, you do have the different customization. You can choose the fingerprint unlock, notification, battery status, and on double tap, single tap, AMOLED brightness. You can even adjust the brightness of the always on display as well. And next is a display AMOLED screen. So activate when charging, activate when discharging. The small features, but definitely all are very good and easy to try, easy to use. There's nothing much in-depth information required to understand this basic application. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on this Mi 10i always on display functionality, how to use that. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.